Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today we're going to talk about the benefits of walking daily. Walking is one of the easiest and most accessible forms of exercise. It requires no special equipment or gym membership, and it can be done almost anywhere. But despite its simplicity, walking can have a big impact on your overall health and well-being. First and foremost, walking is a great way to improve cardiovascular health. It increases your heart rate, which can help lower your risk of heart disease. It also improves circulation, which can help lower your blood pressure and reduce the risk of stroke. Walking is also great for weight management. It burns calories and can help you lose weight and maintain a healthy weight. It also helps to build muscle and improve your overall body composition. Walking can also have a positive impact on your mental health. It can help reduce stress and anxiety, boost your mood and improve your overall sense of well-being. In addition to these benefits, walking can also help improve your balance and coordination, which can help prevent falls and injuries. It can also help improve your overall mobility and flexibility. It is recommended to walk for at least 30 minutes a day, but you can do more if you'd like. You can walk in the morning, during your lunch break, or in the evening after work. You can also try to vary your routine and walk in different places, such as a park, beach or nature trail. So, there you have it, the many benefits of walking daily. It's easy, accessible, and can have a big impact on your overall health and well-being. So, put on your walking shoes and get moving. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell for more videos like this.